Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy stocks using Cash App. Well, Cash App is basically for transferring money and getting money from your friends and family, but they have a new feature where you guys can buy stocks and also buy Bitcoin if you want. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy stocks in Cash App because this video is specifically on that topic. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you guys can just drop it down in the comment. I'll get to them and help you guys to solve your problems. And let's get into the video, shall we? So first you want to open Cash App and log into your account, which I think you guys have already done. And as you guys can see, it shows all the stocks over here. If I want to buy Bitcoin, I can go on Bitcoin. But at first, when you open Cash App, this is going to be your interface, right? But to go to the section where you guys can buy stock and sell stock, you can click on this button over here. If you guys don't see this button, then basically your Cash App is not up to date, so make sure to update your Cash App. And after you see this button, click on it. And if you're in Bitcoin section, you guys can buy and sell Bitcoin and transfer Bitcoin to other people. But if you guys want to go for stocks, which is specifically today's video topic, you want to click on stocks, and from over here you can buy any stock you want. So if the stock you want to buy is not over here, then you can click on this search bar and you can filter them by categories over here: technology, tourism, sports and gaming. But if you know the name of the company whose stock you want to buy, you can just search it by the name. Let's say I want McDonald's, I can just go on MC, and over here it shows McDonald's. Over here I can click on McDonald's. Now I can buy its share, so it's going up by 0.55%. So if I want to buy it, I can click on buy, and I can choose the rate which I want from here. But if I want to add a custom one, I can click on this button and then enter the amount of how many stocks I want. So I want $12 worth of it, so I'm going to click on next. Now over here it's gonna ask me to we need a little more information to complete your first purchase. You can click on continue. It's gonna ask me to enter my phone number because that's the way it's gonna verify me. After entering my phone number, the purchase will be complete. And yeah, that's basically how you guys can purchase stocks on Cash App. So it's that simple. It's not that complicated as you guys thought it was. So yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys did, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on, and I will see you guys in a bit. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.